Kia ora and welcome to Sweetest Cooking. Anke here, and it is lovely to see you. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Soljanka. Originally this is a Russian dish, but I grew up in East Germany, and a Soljanka was a soup where we used up any leftovers we had in our household, like leftover meat or a certain type of luncheon. Also, I'm going to show you how we used to cook it in our household back in East Germany. The Soljanka is a very budget-friendly dish. It is easy to prepare and is ready in around 30 minutes. But with any kind of soup I always recommend to prepare it one day in advance so all the flavors can develop. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my cooking channel. But now, without further ado, let's get cooking. So now here is our Soljanka, and I don't know if I think you can see it. Traditionally we're serving it with a dollop of sour cream and just a little sprinkle of parsley. Just mix the sour cream in. Oh, I love Soljanka. I just love the little bit of spice. It's not spicy, but the richness from the Fleischwurst and the mix with the sauerkraut and the capsicum, it just tastes so delicious and it's really, really tasty. So I do hope you are giving it a go. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like, subscribe to my cooking channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, sweetest cooking, everyone.